Haga jingple ya ke surok ke betemai, kabadon iway point iway lai kilometer haga jinglut, kabalong iway point kendai lai kelor tengka, laidon lang sembut menteri rang ba kejelau ba senyau balanghar, Archbishop kejelan yang ba Shillong, Most Reverend Victor Lendo, nangta Bishop Ferdinand Dekar jaka Jawai Diocese, Wemele kejawai ba Wailat Mukishila ke officer jaka penat PWD ba ke Shnong. Abakana ke jingelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagane ke surok kabala ai keteng ke Hubert Rosario Road. Kala bendek projek ke ba iway point kendai lai klot tengka ke jeng mang pisa. Ndo ye uhi kalong ke bom dor namar kakta apa de jeng em kam tambe ik tu bapang. Bila iwat ik jeng sumar bat ki sister ke betre met bat mensim ai jeng sumar. Ulong ba hapreng jong sedem chajar kendai spa kendai puai bat arazar katra. Ka jingmang tengka jingshnai ki surok ke jala kelong hendos pasan kendai kelur tengka. Dari tang haki ni kinyo snam kibladon ke jingmang tengka kelong hado saw hajar kelur tengka. Ule tu ro bakum bah nyopon ke sispa jong bro surok blashna lengba ka PMGSY hak jala. Kidi ke blashna pendap haki ni snam. Menteri rangba ule pentip ru ba ke Rural Health Center kum ka Hubert Acupressure Center kedai ke belapan kreak menta berkentup no hagawat Kabansawan banyok ke gran nak sarkar jela berulong bagi sarkar jela kala shimikarai ben kersha ne gajing ajing sumar tenrai kibedan hakal lengjong ke jela.
A lot of people were asking me, sir, this is a very small road, about 1.9 crores. Therefore, it might not suit Chief Minister going and inaugurating this road, because there are many big roads and big projects that you need to inaugurate. But then I told them two things. I said nothing is too small and nothing is too big. This project may be a 1.9 crore project. But what is important about this project is the lives that it touches. The difference that it makes in the people's lives. Hundreds and hundreds of people, and especially those who are in pain, who are suffering, will benefit from this project. So if you ask me, this is far more important than any 100, 200,000 crore projects that we do, because of the fact that it touches lives. For us as a government to be able to succeed and to create that impact, we need to work with community, we need to work with society, we need to work with our different leaders, especially our religious leaders, especially our traditional leaders. So therefore, these are the two reasons why I chose to come here on this program. And I must thank all the individuals who have been involved in making this project a possibility. That from 2018, or rather let me start with 1991, from 1991 to 2018, 659 crores of road projects were sanctioned. 1991 to 2018, 659 crores. And from 2018 to 2025, 4,000 crores has been sanctioned. So that is the kind of focus that we have. In the last 7 years, if you look at the PMGSY scheme and the roads, 70% of all PMGSY roads since the beginning of PMGSY till today, 70% of the roads have been made in the last 7 years. So that is what the importance of road is. And as you are aware, Deputy CM has told you that now one of the biggest projects, our 24,000 crore express highway, is coming up in Meghalaya, connecting Guwahati all the way to Silchar. And let me share with you that we had a discussion with the Honorable Minister. This is the first express highway in the hill area. Throughout the country, no project has been taken up as express highway. I hope you understand, express highway means you have to travel at 80 kilometers per hour.